And so, welcome to TOYSREVIL, and I'm doing a live unboxing of a shock. Hello everyone. I got this for my birthday present today from my sister, and I thought initially to do a unboxing, but then I thought, yeah, why not do an unboxing via live? I actually had another toy in mind, but that might be a bit stressful for me because I don't really want to work so much on my birthday lah. So instead, very luckily, I received this as a birthday present. Thought I'll open it up for everyone to see. Cool. This is Shock, the first series of Shock from INSTINCTOY, featuring INSTINCTOY characters, released by PopMart. It's not too long ago. Yeah. Just to take a pause. So for those who are watching, I apologize if I'm not naming you individually, but I do recognize, I do see your wave, so hello back. And I'll just do a straight up unboxing lah. Yeah. Meanwhile, let's rip into this one lah. I like that the corner here has a little character icon. Nice. This is the new range of PopMart toys, where in the previous versions they were all sealed on top. Now I got a old picture here to show. I got a Pucky. This is the old packaging context of an older toy where it was sealed, that I had to rip open like this. Yeah, this is from a Pucky toy that I reviewed earlier. This from the Forest Factories, and it was sealed before that I had to rip open, but I could sort of seal back lah, but I ripped open this as well, so it's a bit wrong. But this version is I can pull open from this tab, so let's just open it. Ooh, nice. I like that you can seal back as well. The way the box is made, I could quite visibly close back as well. Let's try it so you can see with your own eyes. Nice, nicely done, PopMart. Okay, enough of selling the figure. This figure was purchased directly as a present to me, so this wasn't a freebie per se. It is to me, but it's purchased by my family. Let's put this aside. So this is more unboxing than a product feature, just so you all know. It's the card that came with it. What is this? Oh, nice, the card that came with it as well. I think this gives away what the figure is. It does. Oh, nice, standing instructions. Tells you how to play with your toy. Cool, very nice, man. Appreciate this. This could possibly hold the graphic of the character that I'm going to get inside the box. I'll not open this yet, or rather I'll see what's in the bag. PopMart. What it sees here. Before I open, let me see what I want. Let me see what I want from this lineup. Hard for me to say, because I'll be very frank, I want each and every one of these characters. I mean, I love Hiroto's designs, and for his regular INSTINCTOY releases, and these are just miniaturized versions of his releases, and I want them all. So sorry, can't choose. I bluff y'all. But I'll just see what this is. Excited. Ooh, I feel something. Ooh, I feel a rough texture. I feel a rough texture. I feel an ear. I feel an ear. I feel a rough texture. If looking at this, I am guessing it might be one of the Muckies. Okay, I love the Muckies. Oh, it could be this as well. Guaiwo. Could be as well. We'll see. We'll see. Yo, I'm looking through the camera lens instead of looking at your toy. Oh, okay. think I know what it is already. I think it might be perfect for the upcoming Halloween. Ooh. 3 colors. Yeah, where? Which one is 3 colors here? Stress leh. It's not a part of this leh. Is it hidden? Wow, okay. I'm excited if this is hidden, but no, the hidden is the hidden is which one? The hidden is the fluffies. So what is this actually? Ooh, nice. Let me put this aside. Let me see the card. Flip it over. Yes, Guaiwo. Is this how I pronounce it? Crazy Guaiwo. Is it part of the regular size figures? Yes, it is. This dude. Hey, I'm happy, man. Always happy to get an Instinct toy, huh? So now I get what the instruction card is here. Let's look at the instruction card first, before I look at the toy. I'm the sort of person that leaves the best for the last. It's like when I eat as well, I leave the best for the last. In order to achieve... Can you read? Yeah, I'll put a picture to it later. Nice. Let's have a closer look at the figure. I'm filming from my iPhone, and I'm hoping that the older iPhone I had basically switches off by itself, and I've been struggling to try and maintain a standard of filming integrity, and I even got a webcam, but I haven't sorted out how to use it yet to have a longer broadcast than, let's say, a 10-minute, 17-minute. That's my standard of length. Nice. Not articulated. The hands are stiff. The legs are, yes, articulated the legs so you can sit. Very nice. Can it twist? No, I'm not going to try too hard, man. Yeah, it came with a picture like this. Can sit down means can sit down. I'm not going to try anything else. Yeah, it can sit down. Sit wider. Yay. Can sit. Nice. Yay. So this is my figure. Yay. Can stand as well. I love a figure that can stand lah. It makes so much sense that it can stand. I want to put it next to my fuzzy bear, because 2 bears. I love Fozzies. I lost his head lah, so it's a bit wasted. A bear with his pet. So 2 bears. Do I have any other toys around me? Yeah, I got other stuff, but it's not bears lah. So to me, this 2 is a perfect fit. Big bear, small bear. Crazy bear. And I'll leave it at that. Thank you all for watching. I'm sorry I'm not reading your comments. I'm filming this sideways, horizontally, so I can edit it later and put it on my YouTube as well. Nevertheless, thank you all for watching, and check you guys out again soon. Thank you and bye-bye. Whoa. Bye-bye.